What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm going to share with you my people. I'm going to run through that intro quick and fast. I talk a phone still I give me a problem or something, so I have to go run through the intro and the video. I don't do much talking here, so I say. So I don't lie my people, Shebada bring Dung Owie in the wickedest way. Big man thing, you must watch that one my people. I don't know what Shebada that boy, I don't know sometimes my people. Sometimes Shebada say some things and a real shit I talk, you know. So I say so me not quick to say yo why am I do this or why am I do that, because I know say some of the time them in talk some real thing. So I say when everybody I say Trish analyze himself, Shebada say nothing no go so, and I know we can hear nothing more about him. So I say we have Rosealee attack OGX make she feel like say sitting wrong with her brain to how she find a number in her phone, call the number, the man delete the number and then I ask her where the number there. Yo, a bag of things and people. See, we also have, you know what I mean, how we make preparation or something. You know what I mean, we have the lion man respond to Mika that Annie daughter have a new man or something. We have a bunch of things with people. We're not here in the intro, you're going to see in the video. So make we get in with people.
No, me attacking even. You see me sit down so and me attack and me say only not say this boy don't feel nothing. Then I saw people and dead people nowadays. We love gun. I saw people and dead people. I two different candlelight I keep, 2 different night, 2 different funeral. Oh, we decide to not talk to the family like a big stinking girl. Everything gone for Niesha. So you tell me says, oh we money alone, if Niesha money buy Kara, oh we money alone furnish the house. Lie. Lies. Suppose Niesha did have one first picnic and the picnic there go down to the mother. I know she have munchkin. That means that the first picnic would get a thing out of mommy wealth or riches. I will. Anyway, how we going to feel it? Anna all laugh first. Anna first laugh. First tears, Anna tears. First laugh, Anna laugh. All them attacking, enough people don't know say Niesha vehicle. Now you have here says not Niesha's own. First laugh, Anna laugh. First laugh, Anna laugh, you know. Oh. Me I gonna say this. Oh, we find room quick. Oh, we move out quick. All of this plan in your side already. Nobody now plan for do how we know. Nobody. You know when I say come here class, let me explain something to Dan. Let me stick there. Dan, come here, let me explain something to you. You see all these creative ideas? Oh, we should have do them from Niesha on her sick bed. For say, plum wagwan. For say, when my baby mother come out, me now make she leave here so you know, me not trust her so. Oh, we should have moved within the time Niesha seek help. Let me tell you that. You see, all of this was planned. Me just strongly believe say, oh, we are trying to put argument to the godmother. Me just strongly, the godmother have too much talking at this. she have too much talk in this. Me say, una little man, una want go suck foreign pum pum, or some crimpling pum pum, una suck like bubblegum material. And that una want go do. The godmother have too much talk, and Niesha, you don't have the respect for your baby mother. You see, you are the perfect man with at your old relationship with your new relationship. That not tell you about that because enough man dog out down. Enough man dog out down. So that not go tell you about that. That not go see that. You get what me I say? But you are the perfect man. Oh, you can't done so then your mama can't read. Nobody in your family can't read. No, then we come out of the Duns family from St. Thomas. Me not understand how the godmother knows so much of Niesha medical record. So still she full of chat because she a call the shots away. She a call the shots. But I have something another license company that IRS, pass, and and all she had chat hear me watch them old Zaria. She remind me of my cousin when they live in New York when named Jackie. She remind me of she them old girl they will walk and take young boy. She remind me of my cousin for sure. From my seat me know it. From my seat they would walk and married man. Yeah. Of course, Dan never says the boy move on a long time. Oh, we move on long time, long time, and it's very live. Me don't have no problem with nobody want to move on. Me eat the fact say your woman sick in sickness. That's why I say anything on the sick on the app, I don't believe it. When evil boss talk about them couple are not trouble nobody, them wicked to them one another. And that you never know. I pretend them did I pretend all along for your live good. And that's the problem. Things we do for the app. I remember when time me, Clay and Mudfish, my mother is 2 years before TikTok before the internet and nobody never know. And we will see each other and we depend live we go like it's all good and dandy. We don't know. Me say Niesha on the live and Niesha look shine. Niesha complexion different. Like Niesha have the complexion of people who have internal illness. God know. Go watch all our videos. How we ever look. She have discolored complexion. Me not tell no lie. You see people like Niesha, maybe Martin and barbz can hint you. Me don't know if them can remember. She have discolored complexion. She have a dirty complexion. You can know that the child is sick internally. Not that she is dirty, She just have that complexion that shows that something alright. Exactly. It's true. Sometimes you can look at some people and say, her illness not bother her, but she's not well. You understand what I say? Them know. Dan, you have a person should know say man a wicked. You have a person should know say man a wicked, Dan. So oh man a wicked, you can't even show who a girl.
Hey, my people, it's a thing in a Jamaica. I don't know about any other else places still. Anything happen to nobody, you gotta hear people come and them are gonna say this and them are gonna say that. Like how Shebada say, oh, Niesha did look before, but nobody never said. You understand? But some other time, hindsight, I would them say hindsight is to yeah, so make me know what I think with people because this whole thing with Owie, me feel like say them a drag him through the mud and there's only so much a person can take. But let me know what I think.
You. Not that we want to see but you just look like you have man happiness. For sure. No disrespect. But it's just the truth. And nobody now talk about how the internet help kill off Niesha. Nobody now talk about the internet help kill off Niesha. When you want to take up 2 young people and not force them to go breed for money, see it here? And you now walk across people. You never know. See, the internet don't want to take the blame for it. The internet doesn't want to take the blame. This is what happened when you love people money and you eat on yourself. Go learn on your body. Go study on your body. So see that the internet make you breed and everybody for breed. And everybody for breed. The last time one butch breed, one man put nail in her face. And everybody for breed. Well, you never know. The internet now take no responsibility now, you know. Well, you never know. The internet say now go breed. The internet hype up Owie for breed Niesha. And because Owie is a yes man and love money, and because of the internet are saying go breed, the internet will forever mind the baby. And at that reach them. Nobody now talking, the little girl body could carry belly. Nobody now say that. Nobody, is the internet killer of Niesha? Is the internet. Is the internet. The internet make Owie breed the child. The internet. Nobody can say a lie. The people them a cook and a galang all long. The people them a cook and a galang all long. Is the internet. Is the internet saying Owie go breed Niesha. And take her care and go with the picnic now. Know that she's not here. Take Niesha care. Niesha not have no vehicle again, you know. Oh, Niesha family them can't even pawn the vehicle and put towards the funeral. No. Oh, we are keep him own a candlelight, him own a night, him own a wake, him own a funeral. Yeah. Oh, you never know. Furniture gone, everything gone. This is how you build a man. This is how you build up a man. Then they think, oh, we did I say, oh God, man, maybe give her mother this. Maybe tell her mother, say, so Munchkin now will ever go down a Niesha family them. So nothing now will leave down a Munchkin to keep Munchkin company. Yo. No one not see it. No Niesha never buy her family them could again. I want to nice some cocky Jayden. I want the Jayden. Jayden, where you send me request some why? No, for sure. Everything gone. There's nothing for Niesha's sister. No, you know the people on the internet I say? Niesha's sister want her with them. Between me and Niesha, we no good here. Niesha, we no good here. What can I with them that forget? Who now go like a things where them can carry got the bank and say put this in my account. One night I'm at Jayden, I'm not add him out. When I could have texted come home, I'm not add him. Eh? When I just don't know what to say. When I just don't know what to say. Eh? The sister bad mind. Who go with Niesha care? Who never use Niesha care? Go down to the hospital, go look for her. Every time him for drive the vehicle, go down there and say, do the vehicle to us. The vehicle not have no air fee. The vehicle not have no this. The vehicle want that. It lock off on me. It this on me. It that on me. All of a sudden, then I want that drive it go and I just get it. But when that drive it go? What make it want so much? Someone who used to sleep in it? I know you're gone with the girl carry. You never use the girl carry in her sickness. And when Niesha stand up, Niesha must cry in her spirit. to see how you operate. Dan not talk about this. So Dan never know say Niesha care. And the two of them care. And the two of them care. It's not the two of them care. Cause right now, how we have the phone cube. Cause you ever hear say how we phone cube. You ever hear says how we phone cube. You talk about the two of them care. Jamaican Browning, you sure put money in it and him don't have no money. You sure put money in it, Jamaican Browning, and him said one come on the live and said, Niesha money done and him don't have no money. So it was Niesha's account. Remember that's why I'm go for the baby to come work the baby because Niesha used to make the money. Come now. Come now, cause we're gonna make it make sense. And the two of them care. Remember say you're a woman will buy car, you know, out of your blood, sweat and tears and you know about the care about no learners cause your man a drive it. When you want your car, you call police and take it back from him. You don't have to can drive. You will walk with a driver go to the station. Remember so we do it together. You don't have to can drive. So if you never have no account, where you get money from? That's why I'm still asking the question. Can me buy income and say you don't have no account? I me buy income I can tell you say Niesha money done. So if Niesha money done, when still a colleague, alright, Niesha money done out of her account. So you're gonna build an account now. You're gonna get an account for your collect money. Okay. I have a holy account here I use. Okay, so cool it next. Alright, I'm telling you say with some big woman like Dan on the internet now make no sense. Dan, I'm sorry, but you see how your little program just bagga mix up and full of people will now make no sense. For sure, one of this one rosealee pet here so. Blood wall! And the pet is petting. And there goes the pet. Now mama shut this up with them. The pet is petting. I soon take her out, man. No, it's true. Who don't ask it? Him come every day at chat, and the only way you could have come every day at chat because they're lying in a situation like this. Me don't know how you take the time.
Alright, my people, so here we go now. Anything a person accumulate with them woman or accumulate with them man, you see me, there's no way a parents can come and say, boy, them want this and them want that, especially if them have a child together. You see me, what the person pass away and left after the child and the spouse were left. You see me, that's my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comment section, my people.
For yourself, forget with the family, man say, come go plan this. Oh, we don't have no money I send towards Niesha's family. For say 200,000 here, put it on the 99. Him not depend that with them. He want gather every single thing. And Niesha family them for go there and hunt it for the little girl. Oh no. I tell her say her down one shot with shit. Dana wicked. Oh, we had a Niesha everything when man used to do Dan. And Dan still a play blind. The little girl have an account, he might use her account. He use all of the money out of the little girl account and take the little girl things. Niesha got robbed all when she did. This is how it go in time when you live for man. Always have one family. Not buy no vehicle give your man. Not put no vehicle in your man name. Your money I spend so come, me I carry my brother. Me I carry my cousin. Me I carry my father. I make my father put it in their name. Yeah, you are going to drive it. Make it go in my father's name. Because at the end of the day, they would have the vehicle. The Niesha family, they would have what she achieve. Wickedness, them yeah. Wickedness. Wickedness in the eye of the people them. And then they say, oh stop. When Niesha family them get out of everything. Munchkin never ever go down there. The family them now do you nothing away. They're supposed to bring people together. Why you keep a separation? Niesha wasn't naive in and don't say so, because if Niesha naive, the whole of we as girl naive. The whole of we as girl naive. Even Dan still naive to the day. You get what I say? You live with your man and you want a comfortable life with your man. You get what I say? The only mistake she make is by the things them put in a field name. To show you how we are dog shit. To show you how we are dog shit, I'm gonna tell you something. Let's put up one reflection video. When Owie and Niesha talk how they meet. You see how Owie paint Niesha's family? You know, say Niesha used to go Owie yard. Niesha used to leave Fair yard and go Owie yard. And then used to sneak in and go hook. So how Niesha family not like Owie? Make it make sense. That's why I tell the little girl go in the yard, stay in the yard. Man no want to know. Man no want to know. Niesha say, Owie and Niesha used to exchange visitation at the yard. She come at my yard, me come at Fair yard. How the family them eat Owie? Owie is a wicked, dirty drunk, bro. Wicked, dirty dog shit. Not where always say on the app match. Wicked, dirty dog shit. You used to come at my yard and me used to come at your yard. The internet, when you and Niesha, the internet never know say, oh, we and Niesha family them at it, oh, we come and make we know. So I understand. Dan, go fix up your argument. Now come about me, go about King when Batty and Rotten. Tell King say, still have this. Nah, let it go in now. Still have this. Yeah, King Batty and down you two don't say a big woman, and that's why she must dog you and everybody on the app, because they realize say you don't, they realize say you just love to chat a bag of shit, and that the internet pick up body in a Dan. They realize say you chat too much, man, and you chat too much you true, Dan, and you walk and show subliminals and things that people don't know. You have to stop chat shit and analyze situation. Stop chat shit. You walk and defend everything we're wrong and too much girl pussy and tell you say you're ivany underneath you. And you prove them right. Eh? You prove the girl them right. They tell you say you're ivany underneath you, you act now way there. From last week, Daniel showed the word, you know. From last week, Daniel showed the word. And them love chat up them stinking mouth. And I come and talk about the boy. Me hear Daniel, I say, watch her again, I get it wrong. And I could copy out of your book, you know. I could copy out of the handbook. Yeah, pure contradiction.
Alright, my people, so here we go on. At the end of the day, me can't wrong how if you keep film separate thing. You know what I mean? Because if man the family them not good, why him a go push up in a them? They might do him something. You see me I say? So me not wrong him from do what him a do. Make me know what I think.
And nobody now sit down and analyze the story and say, boy, go make preparation and come up for the app, you beg too much. So it never ever go work for Munchkin. After the funeral, oh, we go on vacation. I'm go on ease him stress. Yeah, I have no memory. They said them still and them touch a bag of shit. Them chat a bag of shit. Then say, oh, we face ya. God. Favor pretty pal. him a try promote Munchkin. And Munchkin a go grow up and know her mother. You know much granny grow, baby? You know much granny grow, baby? If you want Munchkin have a mother, you'd have put in more effort. And that nobody not tell you. Anyhow, you didn't want Munchkin have a mother, that put in more effort. Nobody, I'm glad nobody on the internet can chat me because anybody have nothing to say me say about how we monetize little girl situation. Glad to she gone and plan to move on. When I ask you know, if the little girl can no go and driving girl in it. When I ask you know, go on here. Me a look on Owie. Me a look on Owie. Eh? They can't have no problem now that Owie if you move out of the house. At that one not say they can't don't have no problem that it's to move from the spot. But anytime it was a shop for Niesha, I feel I'm for the house. Now that him for move from the house, you know, the car good. The car good. Anytime it is put nothing for Niesha, it can't work. And you go hear say somebody send money and him go fix it. Me.
Yeah, I didn't but it nah something. مشكلة sleep in it? Alright, see there. We'll laugh at it. Alright, just turn the flip to show up on there. Well, chill. Much can't sleep. But never get my clothes and all. If you have to go around and probably and all this, I'll see if I can get it. Yeah. Well, try to school again. Hey guys, me at cool in it nah go, I don't know what happened. It's a show send it on live. The show send it on live, but even though with 509 people, hold on. Hey, good thing that slip off the try to show before anything. Good thing that can't go so far back. You don't have to ask where Cooks. Cooks one. Tell you that, I know it's a mushkin, I know mushkin size, and from putting them in the glass, I know it's a mushkin. All the more about the strap part on the top, it's a very high, because our foot thick. How much can that? I hate that, you know? And the cooks. Shab look away in the cooks now, cause foot look, mushkin foot look, you know, but it does thick, you know. So you see that? Them alright. Them alright, done? Yeah, I must spend that one.
Hey, my people, it look like say it's either Shebada and like a bone in a Owie or him know something more we don't know. You see me I say him have some information because here I go on my people. You see when it come to social media and if you dep on social media you can't hide nothing, you know. As long as other people know, you know, cause people will know you come tell people when I like you on TikTok, you know. Remember me to tell you that. You see me I say so make me know what I think, my people. When I think Shebada know something more we don't know.
You see this, me not have to worry about this because I know set off it. You know this something to know?
It's better I get to go to man.
This man very weird. But as I say, I now go on the road doing it. I know say I feel weird to waste on the road. When I go and bed in my house, I mean I can't put it on. Hold on. Kelly! Hey Jojo. Your signal bad.
Can you hear me?
You can hear me?
Yeah, me here now.
Oh, okay. I just want to say hi. I'm glad to see you're doing better and that you're going to take care of yourself. I have some money that was sent to me. I'm going to send you like I always do. But yes,
Thanks, yeah.
and I love the flyers and I've been sending them out to everybody to post them. So as you see, they were spread before you got them spread, but yeah. Cooley is saying add him.
Like up on live or in the box. Come and see me, not see him.
I don't know, it just said, Cooley said add him.
Up on live.
Oh, okay. But yeah, so if you need anything else that you need me to help you with right now,
Yeah.
just let us know. I will wait until you're gonna get the baby hair done tomorrow, right? I will wait till in the morning to get her hair done. So it'll be good for tomorrow.
Huh?
Have you gone to get the candles yet?
Yeah, them they cover already because I get someone to help me out. So my sister and my brother, wife, everything, they move around to me and help me out because I'm the one who could do everything.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, so I just have people I go out and buy the thing them and come in.
Oh, okay. So you're just gonna decorate in one area or y'all gonna walk around?
If it, when me know to one time when tomorrow come, we'll see it. A surprise, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna be on live. I'm gonna be here. I plan on cause I just got back to work. So hopefully when the service come, I'll fly into Jamaica and be able to attend the service because I just got back to work and I do work for the airline. So I will fly in to Montego Bay to do the service. All right. Munchkin. She's sleeping?
Big up. Yes,
All right.
sleep.
Maria.
Yeah, take care, yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Guys, you know this later in the night, I add everybody in the box, so I send request because I see what the partner send it now, but I can't do it now, guys. So in the night when I reach home, I gotta do that for now. Hold on. Me add the yeah, I got to trim from my head.
Eh?
I want to trim from.
You know, sister, me I can't glad, you know what? How happen? Me and nobody.
I come my here.
No, cause if you trim, remember say shape body, don't say if you trim, you know what go on. So you just left that alone. You see me? Where you go with?
There, man. I never look too close with the boy for myself. If you have mushkin thing I know, I just me I know.
Oh, you get the shirt, the man thing though.
Yeah, they sort out. And me, right and then my sister and brother wife move on to me and sort out them.
Boy, them block my main page, bro.
You know some book I have already. I have some more coming. Alright, hold on.
Main one. Yeah, then send me a £6 live. Yeah, me see it, man.
So, hold on, the light, hold on.
No, man, me see it, man.
This one. So, yeah, different, you know? This one TikTok one.
Yeah, me see them on there too. Tomorrow, I'm link you up in by the time I'm supposed to out, so car food drive now working, so I will get one vehicle to come down.
I can pick you up in a car, I go down a place and sort out.
Yeah, but me have to down the two when them do. All I do, just go link me tomorrow and then we go down there, because I have to carry down the box and then something there.
Yeah, I can pick you up one.
Yo, you man, them black page today, you know?
Your main page?
Yeah. Can't go live again. No, the one with the 200k. They say me a £6 live and ban me completely.
So where did I do?
Me ain't that £6, me ain't that do good now. And that they say and then just call it a day. So me write the report and send it in with the ticket and me no see nothing go on. So me have to just wait. So that's why me have to use that one now.
You know, take one picture with the thing there. With
the ID and everything there. No man, them not give me that option there. So me screenshot the message where them send me and then me just send it in with the ticket.
Yeah, them not send me to smile. Have the things to send on my hand and take a selfie. Yeah,
I know the movie last night. It can't be the movie, man. Cause I was the live end last night. So it can't be a movie where I watch and a YouTube I watch it from whenever they stream it from Netflix or anything there. So they're not busy about that. And if I did that from last night, them could have said we are £6 live. No. At this man when me I do it live, when I go to a supermarket, at them time I just see it in and then say sexual activity will take place. Nobody in there that do nothing. I don't know what they matter. So I just have a card today, bro. So over your page I'm there. So who look for me, when you follow that page or that one I'm there.
You can follow up with the chat.
Yeah, over that side I'm there. But as I say I some work, I say I do on the place in the meanwhile. Because I come a be earlier today and through them bunny page. I nobody sleep, I just come back and I vex you for.
No, when I near do a while ago, I near charge the seatbelt.
Yeah man. Yeah man, no dry, none at all. Yeah man, no dry. So as I tomorrow I just come make a link and tomorrow I go buy some kangaroo too. Because if you buy them today but I buy them. So tomorrow I buy them and bring them forward.
I'm telling you, I did want the lantern, the thing of floating.
Alright my people, so make watch some more and then we move on to the next. But I just want to say RIP to that little girl, you know what I mean? Condolences to the family, Jaja.
In the sky?
I told you I forget that.
No, we don't get it nowhere.
I told?
Yeah, me search bro, me not find that. Me forgot the Chinese man them.
Yeah. The China man, they made have to get that. But if you don't get it, why? I just but we just know say tomorrow it's gonna be a great day. And
which one, Shana? Yeah, man, tomorrow be a great day, bro.
so tomorrow we just will say everybody just wanna just show no love and support. So we are gonna live tomorrow too. I don't know Roger them, TJ them support. Everybody will pass through. You know all the vibes. We never meet you in person, we meet them in person. Everybody come live.
Look, you know see that?
8%.
No, 3%, bro.
Alright, yo, I just go do what you have to do then.
I can't. I saw on the steel, make me have trust issues. I can't trust people again say I won't open ya. Cause today with the pan, yes, one rosealee, and then tomorrow morning, only see man cut my choke and sacrifice me as long as I drink the blood. While my eye them still open. My spirit I watch and drink my own blood. I saw on the stay. I don't want to tell me what to do. I don't want to dictate what I do. I never ask someone a dark shit for no opinion. Come near me a hacky batty wall. No piss me off today because I try to change my blood clot ways now. Don't question nothing about me and nobody. No question me about me and the boy, please. Because I'm not going to end well, yes, so. I'm going to have to go back to my old ways and take out, look for the 1-1 and me on to go at it on this. And for the word about bunged up in the comment section, come on time inbox. Him not good for me as a wife material, but him good for Uno as a slut dog. Come let him page what they on the mount of Uno in an inbox. I beg him. Talk to me now, please. Talk to me now. No, I never know so I'm desperate for cocky. Talk to me now, please. Talk to me now, please. I see everything on my inbox. On my page. Talk to me now, please. One of them right. Oh, you can't talk to me now, please. So what wrong with me? I don't see you talk to her. So what wrong with me? I say my thing. And I'm Joseph, Joshua, and that Abendegos. Me mama. Here one rose. Oh, God's. I say, why they might use my page? I tell you, say, when I go over there, the amount of Uno when I see in the inbox. I see me for so long I'm black on the 1-1. I'm not thirsty for man the blood clot. So it's not gonna look too good for me. Let me fix my issue then when me have a weekend fix things and ride or die. Come out of my business. Me don't want to tell me, I never ask someone for the opinion. Someone who want a life. Social media can help on the pathetic blood clot self. Social media can help someone. Social media can help someone. Someone who want to rebirth or reborn. Come out of my business, never ask you for your opinion. Look how much I want man use. Look how much I want to send for man from Jamaica when man which I find I get green card. We don't even know which part of the globe them day. Look how much I want to buy a man car. Fly in and buy a man car. I want to fly out and I got foot up on the dashboard. Look how much I want to build a house. I left on the man the house. Left on they are friend on the build a house. I want to left on the sports on the build house. I want to check out, come back, fly out. The mistress check in and she fully living one another year. All the money I spend, ride through her feet, him and him girl. How much I want to do that? How much I know? When married to man or born no like a dog. I pay born no collect. It's a bun season when I reach Easter. Funo. I pay born no walk and collect. I want to tell you for open no blood clot mouth. I want a bigger woman for me. Come out of my business. And someone look a tiny dirty whore. Go and go live on a life. Stop watch me. Cause one thing I gotta tell you now. Me is a Gemini. I'm always gonna do what me feel like for do. And someone opinion don't really matter cause I like not even like someone. I don't want to chat to me, I don't like you. Remember who never like me for money, so I don't know why I wanna do this now. Come out of me and the boy business cause I go have him back, lock. safe. Like how Alcatine say, nobody attack your pussy safe with the Dan. Yeah. I saw the boy head back safe with that Dan. You no ask me no question. No worry about me. Me no want to.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. We so reach to the story of how GX turn Rosealee and twist him and make him feel like same man. So we'll watch some more of this, you know what I mean, till you reach which part she attack the story with GX.
No worry. No ask me no question, no worry about me. Go look at life. Go look at boy at 20, 25 now. Everybody I live them like we no go look somebody turn of the Lulu too. Go look somebody turn on the Lulu too. I keep. Unless I keep. But go get somebody turn on the delusional too. We're gonna spend them all the money and buy uno things so they can feel like uno there somewhere. How they not worries with people. John Crow. Dog beds. Come on, I'm a businessman. I see on the FYP them run and make up one bag of video. I say what the blood clot this. You know all of them are blood clot all synagogue yeah and Barnabas Collins. I wanna run out for. And who waking there and dead? I with support on the crawl out. Come back on the blood clot cough man. Cause vampire alone crawl out and I can pay night to make video. Come back on the cough. Me never ask you no question. Me never ask you no question. Jake's a boy will play with my insanity and think him get him deserve. I'm gonna go on that the blood clot story there. Him a boy will play with my blood clot sanity. And for you play with all my sanity, me I wanna be insane and that, you know. Me can't trust you, you know. I'm a business, you don't want to. Me not gonna go on too much detail, you don't know. Go and eat off of the top of the ice cream. When I reach the corn part, you can't know. Come out of my business. Don't make the video for me on a witch warlock war and zombie. Ring out to the mama. What someone gonna make video about to the mama? Someone wanna make video for me, Akim. What gonna make video about to the mama? What I'm to the mama? Someone know for the mama eat? What I'm to the mother and the father. We don't have a family. Me don't have a family. Me don't have Akim family. I only care so much. Me don't have Akim family. Me dear, my love. It's a confusion on the hub. Why don't you look at my video about to the mama? What to the parents? You know, so some of them don't even talk about them parents. We don't have the life. What to yourself? We don't find yourself important. And that's why we black people can't survive in our life because all time people that say they don't have no vision or say nothing. What about Uno? In a relationship, you have to agree to disagree and disagree to agree. Everything can go perfect. Someone eat and drink with you. Remember a father got disciple, 12 disciples, them did still betray him. For 30 pieces of silver, pay Judas in our world. What I do? I wanna look clout and hype and fame for my name. Me never ask you no opinion. No, me never ask you nothing. Hey, what the back of video for? I would say I call on my blood clot for the afternoon. Where's my phone? Oh. Your wife. So what them have? So what I'm to the I want alone yesterday there? Not even want to look at scrapings. Make sure you look because I'm not eating that. Wife come off from my phone when they at work. You get it, some of them? Come with my business, man. Yeah. I never hear troubling anyone and send them just a pitch. Mr. Me love. And some of the shithouse them we attack, you know. If we are doing a sub live, them now come sub them $5 for see the process, you know. Maybe I do sub live. Them not sub them $5 or them not look cloud. They call me name. I 2 things I can't burn alive a fast seat and bumbox. I don't know what the fuck. I 2 things alive I can't burn a fast seat and bumbox. Some don't know what I call me name for. But I don't want to say too much because I know I'm a booby see me I go and band for the FYP, you know. I don't really want my booby see me I go and band for this FYP. I don't want him to see the screen because I do me behaving too bad. But I want him to have to say before I leave the story. I 2 things I can't burn alive a fast seat and bumbo. Come out of my business. I never ask for my opinion. Bite out me and him. Bite with juice or rings with out. Look how much I want a blood clot. I'm delusional. I want to tell you the sex when the nice and not ugly. Look how much I want to delusional. I want to tell you the sex when it's that girl and no it's not. Nobody worry about me. I keep going worry about no mama. I want a family member I want to have. When a family member worry about I want to pick me. Come out of our business. I have a clout to no one in there so. I remember me and listen to no. And I want to about the FYP. I chat. But just send it on my blacklist. We not even work at it. We not even work for me go, eh. But just send a message across the board. Don't worry about what this. Can't get the food at all. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to tell part of the soup is what. Is it not better feed? So Shaka don't want to feed? I don't know. She have money? Oh, okay. She come with, I will give her that. Alright, how this? Hello? One night drinks. There's some way. You think I'm innocent? In this one, I trapped.
Alright, my people, so see the Jake story, you know, so we have a hear rosealee officer, you know what I mean, and watch someone then move on to the next.
When him do when blood clot there, book up in the me, you know. Come and tell my friend a story, I'm book up in and I come and tell people me. And anyway, when I call the number, how am I telling what the story now? So I call the woman number, how am I then go to so I call the blood clot number. But the woman number on my phone. I want to use my phone, but I don't want my phone, I put them in and dial the number in a film phone. I want to look. I don't want to tell the story that I had in a chat. Just about him business, I'm going to book him up. Come here, walk a search him one night and book him up. I'm going to come out to people in blood clot yard. I'm going to somebody. I have the person on my blood clot phone and reach out them and talk on my blood clot yard, you know. It's when drinks we draw me, I'm saying drinks me a card. I want my bad dial, somebody know my blood clot phone. Team phone that night, sorry. When I dial the number in my phone, I can see when they pop up. Android, it said today, the time, everything, you know, drinks to text the blood clot. In phone for me, I delete it and ask me what the number is. Let me rephrase again. Him go wherever him go. But him don't see about the people that on my phone. So I beg him to call off a film phone. And dial the number can't tell me what time him call. And it said today. You know what you expect? Take him phone for me and delete the number. And still don't ask me what the number is. I make me have trust issues with people. I don't trust people, you know. I don't trust people because if I'm gonna show you something, you're gonna take your phone from and delete it and ask me what a number they like. When him do that now, chat, me a start to question my blood clot self. I start to question myself. You know me? Who understand will understand. Me say chat, me start to question my blood clot self. I start to question my blood clot self. To a level where me I wonder if me insane. Me question my sanity as in literally mad. Because if I just saw something, how comes I don't see it? Me question myself, it give me to an insanity for a moment. Me I question myself because if me dial the number and the number will come up, come on my Android, if the number already in your phone already is calling, it will come up. And show you the egg that layout. I'm say see it there. I will take the phone from me and delete it, and then I go say to myself, wait there, and then I have a phone and scroll. I'm take the phone and I scroll. So I say, wait there, pussy clad. So I start to question myself as if I did see it or not. I say to myself, blood clot. What if I lie me and tell upon the blood clot, man? Because what? That's the somebody can't say like it. Yeah. Drinks text me. Remember text me insanity one time and chat. I never forgot the man, you know. He make me test him literally insane. And the man in there, but they feel like I'm crazy. Because I not trust him. I don't trust him one blood clot. Because if I just show you something and then you're going to delete it and ask me, wait there. And then I take your phone and then I scroll. And I say, but you don't see this how I go. Somebody need to scroll wheel dog. I take the phone and I scroll to you know. You say, wait there. Somebody say, but you are. When it's a crook, the hand is safer than the eye. Or the eye. The hand is safer than the eye. So not more than when me give me phone, I take me half time because me begs. The most a boom bam bang and delete and come back with this. So I say, so somebody take the phone and me I scroll a little bit and me I say about blood clot. Hear the devil in me now, the wicked blood clot girl. You know what I mean? What we are so you don't see this, so we are going down this over. So I said that me I say, somebody else see them say, you don't know my name in my phone. Me say, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Track my paranoid for about 20 blood clot minutes. Cause me sit down and tell myself, say, me never know man never did it. And then for another 5 more minutes, I tell myself, but he's a fucking idiot. You don't see it. Me ask question my sanity. You know what wicked blood? It is ain't nice. I want wicked blood clot boy that. Follow him up. Afraid I'm your fuck. Follow him up. From a man can make you question your sanity is a different state and level of mindset. I'm saying I question myself if I never just see it. So I tell myself when I see it's a lie. I tell myself say you might have know it's a lie and then I tell myself say but I never did see it. So I tell myself say I tell myself no it's saying no I lie me I tell upon them car. If I'm showing back at them, I mean it never did it. So then I side of me say but he's an idiot, you don't see it. So now I tell myself but that's what I'm saying. But just see it. It's not there, I'm delete it. I look at my blood and I ask me wait there and ask me wait there and wait there. So I take the phone and I scroll. So I say what the number step on top here so I said put there. Trot. Me start blood clots. Me start question if it's insane or not. I mean, I imagine things. Yeah, Jokes fuck with my sanity already, man. That's why I don't trust him. Anything me or say, you can't tell me nothing. After you fuck with my sanity one time, you can't get back that space. It's anything when you tell me, anything when me, everybody tell me nothing about you, I believe them. All if I lie, I believe over you. You fuck with my sanity, you can't tell me nothing. You test me if I'm crazy. So when I do that now, it's gonna look like I'm crazy. Cause if I just show you something, you can delete it and tell me say it's not dead. It's gonna look like I'm crazy. I'ma just see it. So I question if I'm crazy or not. Cause I just see it and it gone. That's crazy. Some blood clot over here, and rosealee, this a rose, go and shut off on the mouth. Just not look on someone who chat cause and people business no one just always don't. You can't know nothing about me unless for me tell you. So you man not see anything and no.
So people, I saw Jake the terrible man. No man, Jaja, yo, boy, them the man they can spin gear like tornado to blood. Yo, people tell more the thing, I want someone then move on to the next.
So make him stay where him there. So when you do me that at that point, all the way you tell before my breathe phase a lie, after my breathe, during my breathe phase a lie, and after my sleep breathe phase a lie. So all of the whole of the years over here, it's just a lie over one fuck. And if it was me, I'd have tell you the truth. I would have tell you who the person be, and I would have tell you the truth, and I'd have faced the consequences. I live my life to face my consequences. Me not a bad person, you know. Me not a bad person. Just true of my life trauma make it seem like me is a bad person, you know. Me is actually a loving person. I get pissed off at times, yes. I get pissed off at times, yes. But me is a loving person. My life trauma make me can't trust the world. Look here me the road and the people that call to me and answer them, you know. I may have trust issues and may have it bad. I have it bad. Me not trust people. It's a me let you in. It's a me literally let you in. I will tell you anything. Trust me. You have my heart. But me have trust issues bad. Not trust people. Whereas if you have question if me insane, you know it feel like this man have question if you insane or not. Is that one if me insane? Or something wrong with my head? Because if I just show you something, you tell me say, I tell me say, I lie, me I tell you bluntly, and I never did see it. So that make you feel like say, I lie. Me literally so gonna tell lie, pam. Right? And then I think it over a whole heap of time. That day I think over it a whole heap of time. Till a present of mind come to me and say to me, say, so like a blood clot sense. I him delete it. You anything where you see that you see.
Which man that boy there which man? Come on, pump me no me have to bring him down to get look. But it have to make a have man that nothing to do with me. What the fuck that have to do with me? What that have to do with me? That have nothing to do with me. What the fuck could not tell me that for? Now go like slow no so me can take man from smaller than so guys, what are it? Remember now guys. Me guys are young. I get the mix up right. Me I say them butter Trev. Yeah. Think you big one. Me I say them butter Trev. Then I saw Trev good did good. Make one go have a bad time. Me go try it. girl them love me. You see it? The girl them love me, I fuck the girl. I say, yo, Jayden, I think you did disrespectful in person, but you're so nice in person. You see it? You see all the boy named Swag Lad? Swag Lad, me I tell you this, Jayden I tell you this. Suck out your mother Swag Lad, you're a batty boy. Boy, yes. You're a batty boy and a swag. You know, say, hold on a pre me youth. You say, hold on a pre me in a youth. Batty boy, Swag Lad. Suck out your mother youth. That's what I'm telling you, man. There back in now, guys. Me there back in now. Me there back, man. You know. Me there back, man. So all I money them want to save up and thing. Where them there? Where them there? No give me it now, no. Don't make me have to ask for it. Don't give me it. Come, give me it. Me want them now. Daily. Me see a shoot out kind of daily. Daily, me see a shoot out kind of like me did give money for go send other people, you know. Me never give money for recharge in a TikTok for go send nobody else in a daily. You know who you send out money again, you know. But it's alright, man. It's alright. Don't worry yourself. I'm gonna switch up. It's still switch up, you know. Bro, me I tell you, man, I'm like, girl, me slam on a vacation, them, man.